Invading someone's privacy is not only unpleasant but also deemed offensive, mainly when it occurs in professional settings. Often, workplaces emphasize the importance of sticking to moral and ethical standards and maintaining a sound code of conduct, which includes respecting your colleagues' privacy. Before we continue, please take some time to subscribe to Dailydose, and share this video with your friends. Sometimes people can take company policies for granted, causing inconvenience for others. Such acts are highly condemnable and should be brought to light immediately so relevant parties can take necessary action. Today's story documents a woman's reportedly ugly experience in her workplace. Vanessa Lee took to the popular video sharing platform TikTok in June 2022, posting a thread of videos that shed light on an unpleasant experience in her office. The woman said she was working in her office one day when she accidentally hit the wires under her desk and made a strange discovery. A blinking blue light startled Lee, and she claimed to have found a hidden camera installed underneath her desk. She recalled, "I found a camera someone was hiding under my desk at work. I had pulled on it to see what it was, so I have no idea what direction it was pointing when it was set up." After getting her hands on the first camera under her desk, Lee said she felt uneasy and searched for the company that made the cameras. It was then that she was said to have made another unsettling discovery. She explained, "I went around the rest of the office after I looked up the website looking for anything that looked like gadgets they sold and found this in the bathroom. Only a select few employees had access to the bathroom." Lee shared a second video where she was seen opening the bathroom door, after which a man pulled off the coat hook, turned it around, and revealed where the camera was installed. The woman claimed that the camera was disguised as a coat hook. The TikToker then searched for a clothes hook hidden camera on Amazon and was taken aback to see that it resembled the camera she had found in the restroom. After the second find, Lee said she couldn't take it anymore and planned to find the stalker. The TikToker shared that she found the hidden cameras in June 2021 and was unhappy with how the police investigated the matter. She told everything to her husband, and together the couple set up a baby monitor in Lee's office. The woman noted that she had unplugged the camera under her desk, hoping the man who had installed it would show up to check why it wasn't working. Lee revealed that her plan worked, and at 6 a.m. the following day, she got a notification from the baby cam in her office, which had sensed motion. To her surprise, a man whose face she didn't reveal in her video showed up to check the camera he was said to have planted under her desk. However, Lee said the baby cam helped her figure out who her stalker was. The remaining video showed the man walking toward the corner, and as he leaned down, Lee claimed that he plugged in something else in her wall outlet. In a follow-up video, Lee said the man had planted another camera on her wall, and when she entered her office the next morning, the camera notified him of her presence and he showed up at her door seconds later. Lee said she immediately called the cops and they found the package in the man's office in which he received the cameras. She claimed that he was one of the men who worked in the maintenance department at her company, and she had already suspected him. The woman revealed that the camera she saw in her office was similar to the one he had shown her months earlier after installing it in his office because he said someone was stealing his snacks. In another one of her videos, Lee narrated the entire incident in detail for her followers. She revealed that she worked in the human resources department at her organization and knew the maintenance worker because he spent a lot of time in her office and came off as friendly. Lee stated that she didn't blame her organization for the incident and appreciated their supportive role in the matter. She said the entire workplace was scanned, but no other hidden cameras were found. She also added that the police issued a trespassing warrant to the man, but he wasn't arrested. Moreover, the woman said she fired the responsible man after consulting her director and other company heads. In a separate video, Lee shared a picture of the criminal trespassing warrant and said she left her job at the company. The overlay text read, "It is done for now, in the hands of the law now, and I start a new job on Monday." The TikToker shared that she found the hidden cameras in June 2021 and was unhappy with how the police investigated the matter. She said she decided to document her experience on TikTok to raise awareness around the issue. What are your thoughts on this story? Would you handle things differently if you were in a similar situation? Please share this story with people who have been victims of privacy invasion.